Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to make corn dosa. For this we need 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1 cup of sugar and half liter milk and corn. Now add some water to the wheat flour and mix it well until it gets into this consistency. Now boil the milk, and after the milk get boiled, add wheat flour water and mix it well, and then add sugar to it and mix it well. After it get boiled, now it is ready to eat with dosa. Let's see the procedure to make dosa. Take the corn and add some water. After adding the water, grind it well until it gets into the fine paste. Now take this paste into the bowl and add a pinch of salt as per your taste and mix it well. After getting into this consistency, you have to take the pan and spread it evenly on the pan. Now add the oil and now reverse it to fry on the front side, and the dosa is ready to eat. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.